Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bell. If you're not new here, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Today is June 20th and it is 2:56. I don't know where my energy at. Hold on, y'all. But like I said, it's 2:56. I'm about to. Alright, now I'm about to pack this order. I'm really not even gonna tell what I'm gonna do today. Y'all just gonna see, cause like I can speak a lot than words, and I'm just going with the flow kind of too. But don't mind what's going on over there, y'all. But I have to package this this wig, y'all. Don't look at Big Mama no type of way, because somebody finna fix her. But I don't sell it for much, so it's like you kind of getting what you paid for. So, but it is a weekend, so the post office is closed, but it's already in the y'all. Missouri be going to the mall to like ship her stuff, and she says they be open. I really would not like to go to the mall on the weekend, but it's okay, y'all. I'm just gonna put it in this solid roof bag, y'all. Y'all know people just be shipping stuff and stuff, you know? And it be like that. I did buy tape, which I'm happy about, because I've probably been needing tape, and I just been not buying tape because I didn't care enough. So this one, ooh, is that good enough, y'all? I'm gonna think it's good enough today, y'all, because I like this. It's good, y'all. It's good, but y'all don't ask why I actually even got these, because I was just bored, y'all. So I was just bored, y'all. I was just bored. Right now, Zuri's supposed to get off at 2:30, but then she got off at 3, so I was supposed to be ready by 3:30. Now I'm gonna go to Panera Bread and get probably grilled cheese and maybe a smoothie, and I'm supposed to sit there just for a little bit, because I need to plan these cards, y'all. I still have not planned these cards. I know I probably told y'all last vlog before that I'm supposed to be like planning these cards, y'all, but the queen ain't playing there, so we's getting to that too today, y'all. I was gonna show y'all my outfit, y'all, but I don't like the way my mirror looking in. But it's just this white top, this some teal shorts. I'm sure y'all gonna see it eventually in this vlog, y'all. But let's go to Panera Bread and wait for Zuri, basically. Thank you. On the kiosk because I don't want to talk to nobody right now, so let me go to this. But yeah, she just watching me. It's already cracked down. She's still just staring at me, though. I am too, though, so I'm trying to make sure y'all not in slow motion, because that's the time I accidentally recorded my whole Target trip in slow motion. But we're not gonna do that today. It did spill a little bit, y'all, but I bought my Stanley. It was my cousin's Stanley. I did have a Stanley. You already know how that went. Bring up the iPad. They said they're gonna text me when it's ready to serve. My iPad is like on 5%. Hold on, y'all. Who tells her she can meet me? Nope, they call my name. Hold on. Nice food. I had a grilled cheese, and then come with chips, y'all. You can never go wrong with a grilled cheese, I feel like. Guys, so I finished like writing my goals, and I also did like try to design my business cards, but I need a little bit more creativity, boom, so that I can like really get them cute. So I don't know, I'll probably be back here, not gonna lie, but I mean it's nothing wrong with them. It's just like I want them to be a little bit more calming. And I was packing my stuff up, and then you called me. Alright, I'm gonna see you when I get there. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the mall probably, so that we can ship our Depop orders together. Okay. You left me? You left me?
Looking for you.
You left me? Oh, she left me. You left me. I can't believe you left me.
I'm looking for your car.
I was on the other side of the mall. I did not know this was here. I didn't even know that. That's all when you be telling me you shipping over. I'm like, girl, it's the weekend. But yeah, that's all. I'm like, what you talking about? I don't just talk like you. Like I do. I just be like,
thank you.
Thank you. You have a good day. Y'all, big boss, big bosses, and yeah, period. She wanna go get her a smoothie, so she's going to go get her a little smoothie from downstairs.
Cause they're so good. I'm not gonna get me a large this time. I'm gonna get me a medium.
Nah, fool. I ain't even try. I never tried they smoothies,
They're
but
so good. Like I get
maybe
the
next
strawberry,
time.
banana, mango.
There's going to be a next time knowing her. We're always going to get smoothies being where I this thing is going to have for everything out. Y'all want to know something my hair look that bad? Because there's so many flowers. Yeah. I just need to get my hair done. It's okay. Monday is coming up. And when Monday here, I'm feeling ready again. Don't know what's going on over there. But you're irritating me. We're about to go to Target, I think. I mean, we're about to go somewhere. We're gonna see y'all when we get there.
Mama kind of mad because I paid $1,000 for my tennis shoes. Man, I'm touching up here, damn.
So grandma just happened to beat her. I already said sorry, grandma. I don't even know you for real. So like, I want to decorate. My bucket list really cute, y'all. So, see y'all. Nobody told me that my hair looked that much a mess. Like, I already knew it looked a mess, but it looked overly a mess. Like, so like, let's keep it in the dark. If y'all know, y'all. But I'm still cute. Like, as long as my face cute, you know, I don't care about nothing else. Cause like, people can't fix their faces. I can fix my hair. Like, that's the way I think about it. Like, y'all faces be, well, you just stuck like that. My face, I'm stuck like this. Thanks to my mama and my family. Why would we have to ask somebody about that? Yeah, we're finna go to Five Below. Place the line too long anyway, so we don't need to be in here no type of way.
I'm forgetting Five Below is like next to.
Y'all, we're going into Five Below now. My camera not focusing. Y'all feel that sun. Y'all probably feel it through the camera because like, this is crazy. We only got the markers, and then we can get like a board from Dollar Tree. I don't think they have. It's the wrong aisle anyway, so we could go to the next one. Okay. I want some cute markers. Hold on, guys.
I'm crying. She wants some.
No, I had these. But what's the little felt tips?
I write very small. Oh my.
Anyways, wait, are these the same colors? I think so. We're gonna get the second one. Because, yes. Period. I don't know, I was trying. I don't start looking at stuff. It's not even really been like, look at this little cherry, right? Like, this is so good. Yo. I seen this one, the ancient one. But I didn't see this one. And then I lose.
It's such a clean look, but I want to see what it like next week, like later in the week. Like, it looks so boring.
It's cute though with the sparkles. What was that? The sparkle. This from my dorm. I don't think that'd be cute. I'm gonna look around some more skis. Just give me my honey.
Coconut one. What's that?
I have no idea, honestly.
Sort. Definitely not what I said. Yes.
Okay. This a receipt. I'm irritated. We're not gonna talk about that.
I mean, I see the same thing. Right there.
See that part, bro. Hey guys.
I'm in control today. Isn't this fun? So we are going to go at the. Are we going?
Yeah, we're gonna go this way. We're downtown. That's where the Queen Park, so hopefully we good. Downtown. Everybody clapping, period. I don't entertain none of that
I'm talking
stuff.
about what you said.
Oh no, I was like everybody clapping.
I don't pay attention to it either, but there was almost a fight.
I thought this girl was lying. More if you watch this, I'm just playing. But no, I didn't think he was lying. Oh, you're not gonna tell him? The rest of us gonna hurt sure, and she ain't gonna tell him. Anyways, yeah, I ain't felt the food truck yet, so it's gonna be a problem in a second if I can't find this food truck, cause I don't even buy that. And I see my girl. I see my girl. My Instagram girlie. I seen her. I'm so happy to see her. Like, it was so cool seeing her in person. She was so pretty and so you wanna. Hey, YouTube. Period.
You are if you gay. I love all gay people. That's right.
Hey, you guys, I'm so tired of seeing him.
Oh, there's your seafood thing.
Oh, who is this? You guys, so everything's basically closed. We're too late, obviously, I guess. I'm actually irritated.
They're not open. They're not open.
I'm finna crash out. Then we can't get cash to go to this one food truck, and we ain't even getting food. We getting dessert. I stress too much going on. I'm irritated, bro. But no, I want that banana pudding, so
He can't just like tap the
come on,
car.
like, please. Please, it's been a rough day. Not really, but like, I can make it seem like it's been a rough day.
Oh damn, what are y'all doing?
We came from Atlanta anyway, ain't it? I can't remember. Okay, y'all, Zuri had y'all all blurry and stuff.
I do not.
But we was over here trying to get something to eat, and everything was closed. No, for real.
No shade.
And I'm not getting nothing at this race thing, but I got this Biscoff
Is it good?
something. Oh, Biscoff ice cream. I thought it was banana pudding. I don't know. I don't know. But it's good. And then this cherry icy. I didn't even have to pay for it, but
go get some more.
I gave it. So wait, so what you told me? You told him you had a boyfriend?
Is he still tough? Like, I don't know if stuff is biting me or something. It's nasty?
No.
So what's wrong?
But y'all, we're finna, or I don't know what she finna do.
I'm right here.
Oh y'all, she's still right here. But I'm finna do the little summer bucket list. I'm finna look on pictures and find some like inspo, cause I don't even know what I'm finna write on here yet. So y'all supposed to see. Do you wanna come sit over here? Okay, y'all. Oh, she got it, period. Like that here.
You know what I want to do?
Let me see what I want to do it like. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to do something like that, but like just with the pictures on the side like this, just free game. So go. I support. I support. I support.
Ever been to a museum? I got one.
Anything that gives summer. This one. This one. Is this not the same thing? This one. This one. This one. What type of thing don't have orange? Is this the orange? I don't like that.
She's working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. Yeah. Working at the pyramid tonight. Yeah. Working at the pyramid. Oh, yeah. Working at the pyramid tonight. Yeah. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid tonight. Pimping in my convo. Bubbles in my champagne. Let it be some jazz playing. Top floor motel suite. Twisting my cigars. Floor model TV with the VCR. Got rubies in my damn chain. Whip ain't got no gas tank, but it still got wood grain. Got your girl working for me. Hit the strip and my bills paid.
Yeah, the Queen is done downtown. I don't care, but
Not downtown.
I just said done downtown.
Oh, that shit.
Excuse the background noise. I don't even know where that came from, but I finished my bucket list and I'm at this car race. It's 9:49. Hopefully it don't end before we get over there. And let's go.
Donnie Martin, number 98, the velocity number 98. Once again, a reminder the same QRC H-Factor refrigeration street stock series. You'll also